Happy Monday. What up, boys? What up, boys? Who's ready to be in the Hall of Fame? Your family's champion. How about that? What up, George? Good morning. Scott, what's good? Oh, what a star. 100 subs? It's time to eat. We hungry? Hold on. Did we crack 100 subs? Hold up. Did we crack 100 subs on the first week, boys? Let me check this out. Oh, nice. Oh, awesome. 100 subs, let's go. Appreciate you all. We are just getting started, I promise. 100 subs, shout out to you guys, man. Sheesh. What up, Green? Happy Monday, bro. Hope you had a good birthday. Looks like you have fun this weekend. Dream building, baby. All right, let's get this thing started here. Good morning. Hi from Manchester, UK. Good morning or good afternoon in the UK. Thanks for stopping by. Glad to see you here. Toady 985. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Welcome. Good afternoon, good morning. Yep, good afternoon, good morning to everyone. We worldwide now, baby. We are worldwide. Appreciate all the subs, man. 100 subs on the first week. Seriously. Wow. Shout out to you guys, man. We're going from 100 to 100,000. Good morning. What it do? Let's take a look, man. This is the first time that I've been on the charts since Friday, since we hung it up on Friday, which we hung it up on a great note. Got a win for Green's birthday. Took about 35 pips with the potential to get like over 100 more. But you know, gold being gold, first quarter of the year, it's whatever. It is what it is. I'm from Portugal, worldwide, baby. Hey, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for subbing to the channel. Thanks for liking the stream, guys. It's Monday and it's gonna be a good day, right? It's another day, another opportunity here to be disciplined in life, disciplined in our trading, disciplined to our goals and dreams and aspirations. So hope you guys are excited about that, because I'm excited about that. And that's how we win, right? We win each day, every day, and over time it makes the big difference for us, right? The slight edge, the compound effect. It works in business, it works in the gym, it works in reading, it works in trading, it works in your finances, works in your relationships. You can't beat consistency, man. You can't beat the slight edge. Doing the right thing, small things over and over, day after day, with really no significant result right in your face at the moment, but over time makes the biggest difference. So Welcome everyone. Let's get this breakdown going. Did anybody watch the Super Bowl? Absolutely last flag of the play. Absolutely rigged. 100%. Fixed. But that's not much of a shocker, right? Not much. All right, let me send the Zoom link out. I was just looking at the channel, 100 subs, man. Thank you guys. Shout out to you guys. If you can, like the stream on the way in. And gold's rejecting, so we got a few minutes here. Let me send the Zoom link. Zoom. Share screen. All right. Let's do it. Let's do it. Oh yeah, I got a haircut too. Needed that. Appreciate it, George. Yeah, I got a haircut, man. You know, I just moved a couple months ago, and I've been going to the same barber for years and years back home. So I was a little bit leery, you know, a little bit worried. But my man Logan held it down. He held it down. So got a barber, guys. I got a barber. He's like 2 minutes from the house. Works perfect. Absolutely perfect. Man's is cute. You crazy, Green. Hey, Green. Green was dream building this weekend, man. Green, I seen Green in a video driving a BMW i8 like it was nothing. And I told him, man, get used to it because that's gonna be the norm. Whatever car, supercar you want. If you're willing to put in the work here, you'll get it. All right, let's move the chat. Did I send a link? I'm sorry, guys, I didn't even send a link yet. Monday, man, Monday. I was up pretty late last night, so, but either way, I've been up since 4:30, so we're ready to roll. Let's get this breakdown going. Let me just send the Zoom link in the Discord. Zoom link for stream. And we are good. Let's take a look, man. I haven't looked at the charts all weekend. So let's see what we got going on. Let's take a look at gold, our bestie. And let's do some story time here. Y'all ready for story time? Because we got quite the story here. So gold, let's just recap, because the more we say it, right, the more it's gonna stick, and the more you're gonna understand price action, where price was, where price is, and where price could possibly go. Right? So if you guys are noticing, there's a common theme here. The more times we talk about this, the more sense it starts to make in your head. All right, so let's do this. What's going on here with YouTube? Okay. All right, so let's take a look. So remember, guys, so weekly time frame here on gold, right? We had a monster push up, right? You had a support created down here in this 1961 area, or what is that, 1941, and you had this really big push up from there. All right, so one thing that we can notice is that price really had a lot of bullish momentum here, right? Once we created this support, we created this, it was just no bottom wicks, pushing all the way up, just monster candles moving up, gold just tearing right up in this area, looking to retest these highs, right? The one thing that we did notice though was that this candle right here closed with no top wick, right? And what's one thing we know about candles, chat, that close with no top wick? There's not much room to drive. And what I want you to understand is a wick is a range, right? A wick is a range for price to fill. So being that there was no wick here, there's really no range now for price to fill. So what happened is you've seen a very weak bullish candle, another very weak bullish candle, and then a monster bearish candle close below these areas, right? So we've seen that happen on the weekly time frame. Now yesterday, you notice how there's really no bottom wick on this weekly candle, right? And I truly believe that that's why we did not have the real range and the room to drive on our trade, on our position on Friday, because that weekly bottom wick was just not there, right? And then on Friday, we ended up closing very weak doji bearish, right? But we still closed below this area here, right? Below these areas. And that's something that you want to take into account, right? So now today's Monday, right? And it's the start of a new week. And this new week has now not really done much. I mean, we're only a couple hours into this weekly candle. But one thing I noticed is we have not broken this low yet, right? So we haven't broken this low, and it's only Monday. So, chances are, we don't have to break the low today, right? We don't have to break the low any day, but certainly not, this early into the week. So let's take a look at the daily time frame. So we're pretty bearish here on the weekly. So by the end of the week, I believe we should break these lows right here, break this candle's low, and come on down and fill this range, right around 1800. So that's the idea for the weekly time frame, to really push down at the end of the week and retest these lows. So let's keep that in the back of our mind for the weekly time frame. Let's scale down to the daily time frame to get some more information here, right? So daily time frame, it has closed bullish on Friday, right? So we closed bullish. So all week long, we had our eyes on this area right here, right? We had our eyes, change the color, on this area here, right? And we noticed, and we kept an eye on this every day, on which candle, if any candle, was going to close above this level. Now, what's one thing you notice about these three bullish candles here? So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. What's one thing, chat, that you notice about these three bullish candles on this daily time frame? And if you guys have been here for the whole week, you guys know exactly what we're talking about. Never once have we closed above this area, right? It has been rejection after rejection after rejection. So we continue to reject this area of support up here, / resistance now. So what does that tell you about price? Technically, at some point, we should go down. And we drew this entire scenario out on like maybe Wednesday, I think it was, Tuesday or Wednesday. We drew this entire scenario out that we can possibly get a candle that drives down, engulfs all these bullish candles that tried at one point to break up and close below this area of support. And that is what we have done, right? So we have now seen that happen, right? So now on Friday, we had so much room to go. We broke the lows, blah, blah, blah. We got in really nice positions, but we didn't drive down into these levels here, which we really expected, right? We tapped first target, but that was really just the first target for me. I really wanted to see these levels down here, but it doesn't matter what I want to see, right? The market does not care what I want. The market's going to do what it wants to do, and we can never force the market to do anything. And that's why we don't hold positions, you know, at areas where price can reject, because we're going to take what the market gives us, right? We're going to show up here every day. We're going to stay committed and disciplined to our plan, and we're going to look left, and we're going to see what can we get out of the market today? What can we safely secure for our pockets today? And that's how we trade. So we really wanted to see this, but it just didn't go down. It just didn't go down, right? So no problem, no worries. We still ate. We still got almost 40 pips out of that move. But, you know, the candle ended up closing bullish, right? So you have a bullish closure here. One thing we are taking a look at here for sure is that we have closed bullish, but we have closed below this support. And if this was a 30-minute time frame, what would you expect, right? You would expect this candle to maybe push up a little bit more, respect this high, come down, break the low, and drive, right? So that's what we can possibly, potentially expect or look for today. And we have that clean candle, we have clean traffic to the left, but overall we are bullish, right? We are bullish on the day. We do know in the back of our mind that the weekly needs to come up and create some sort of a top wick, right? 85% of candles have top wicks. And so we are keeping that in the back of our head, right? So we are going to be looking for buys today. It's just where we're going to find them, right? So chances are, if price breaks its own high on the daily time frame, it should come up. Price action says it should come up and fill this wick, right? So let's take a look now on the lower time frame, right? And see what we got going on the 4 hour here. So 4 hour has closed bearish, pretty strong rejection here on the 4 hour time frame. It looks like we closed bearish below this most recent support here as well. So there's a high chance that price could flip, break its own low, come down here to fill this wick, and possibly even continue on down, you know, up over into these ranges here, right? So if we look left, we notice that the first time price really shows any signs of halting is right in this area. So potentially you can get a candle flip, come down, break the lows, you know, come on down to this 1851, 1850 area based off the 4 hour time frame, right? So let's mark that up, right? Let's mark up, or actually before we mark any of that up, let's go down to the lower time frames, because let's see where that daily high breaks, and let's see where that daily low breaks. Right, so now it's come down to the 1 hour time frame, right? So now in the 1 hour, on the 1 hour time frame, you have this range right here, right? So price is just kind of ranging around, you know, pretty decent candles in here. Let's see what this is. 61 pip candle, so pretty decent range here. The only thing is we don't know what this daily candle wants to do, right? We have failed to break the lows, but we don't know if it wants to flip bullish and push up, or if it's gonna, you know, tinker around here and then re-break the lows and come on down, telling the story of the 4 hour time frame, right? So you got to be careful in this range here on the 1 hour time frame, right? So what do you notice? So right now you have a range, right? So you have a range from here to here. And it's a tradable range. Don't get me wrong, right? It's a tradable range, but where can we find a safe entry or safe and clean traffic to trade in this range? And if we can't find it in this range, right, in this range right here, well then we're gonna have to wait until price breaks out of the range, because there's a lot of clean candles over here, and I know if we look left, there's going to be a lot of clean traffic down to the left hand side, right? So again, you have these areas here where we can target, and it all comes down to these lower time frames. So that's let's mark this off on the 1 hour. So you have a 1 hour resistance right here, which is you're breaking the highs, right? At this point, you're breaking the daily highs. These are the daily highs. So if you can break these daily highs, we can possibly close above this area, looking something like this. All right, push up, close above, and we can take trades moving up in this range. Right, that's what we're going to be looking for here today. So I think if we can close above this 1868.11 or just 1868 flat, then we could definitely find some really clean buys above there. Let's take a look at the 30-minute. Yep, yeah, if you guys notice, look at all these candles, right? Look how small these candles are, right? You don't really want to, look how big these candles are right here, right? You want to trade where price has clean moves going up and down. Like, you don't really want to get caught up in a nasty range. A lot of just a couple big ones, but the majority are all small candles, like all small candles, small candles, small candles. You know, a couple big ones here and there. These are probably your session opens. 4 a.m. 4 a.m. Okay, yeah. So a couple big ones, but not the cleanest range. I mean, if you're looking to catch a nice move today, which I'm looking to do, and you're looking to be respectable to your plan and your capital, this is really what I'm going to be looking for. So on the 1 hour time frame, if we can get a closure above this area here, 1868, I'm going to be looking for some buys. Got to get a closure above. If we can get that, I would be interested, because that would line up with the daily candle, I mean the weekly candle here, breaking its own high. And if it's going to break its own high, chances are it's going to come up and make a steeper top wick. And as long as this weekly candle respects the high up here of the previous weekly candle, we're still bearish, right? We're still good to come on down. So if this weekly candle here does break its own high, chances are we're going to come up and make a steeper top wick. And that's what's going to lead us to taking our buys, because it makes sense, right? It makes sense to do that. So that is also the daily high breaking, right? If we can get this high to break, have a closure below here on the lower time frames, then we can possibly get that wick fill. And again, this is your previous weekly high. So price can break highs on the daily time frame, but still respect the weekly and be good to drive down. So I hope that makes sense right there. So on the 1 hour time frame, that's what we're going to be looking for. We're going to wait for this clean traffic to the left hand side, and we are not going to budge, or I am not going to budge on anything in this range here. All right, and then where can we find sells? Let's take a look to the left hand side, 1 hour time frame. See what we got going on. So let's mark this area off right here. And yeah, let's keep it right there. Because if we do, we have clean candles now for price to drive, excuse me, into these ranges. So, okay, yep, so looks fine here. So sells below here. And these are in a way, these are both in a way range 2, right? Because in order for price to get up above here, you have to break these highs, right? We could easily put our joint right here, right? We could say buys above here, but number one, you're not breaking the daily high yet, right? So you're still in no man's land where price could just pull back on you. Number two, you have a resistance here. Right off the rip, you have a resistance here, you have a resistance here, right? So if you're comfortable in getting in that trade, go ahead. I am not comfortable getting in that trade on a Monday. I don't think we have too much high impact news today at all. Yeah, we got nothing. We got, just a speech here at 8 a.m., but that's about it. So I am personally not comfortable, and I have taken those trades before. and have got absolutely chopped. So I personally will be waiting for my buys above this area up here. So we're gonna look for buys above here, sells below this area, and that is gonna be the day. So we can easily come up into these ranges up here on gold. So we do have clean ranges above and below. Let's see what that would look like on the daily time frame. Yep, coming on up. Let's take a look at this area on the 1 hour. So that's a 60 pip range to a 100 pip range right here. Plenty of room. Plenty of room. So let's get rid of this one for now. We'll keep that in mind. If we are looking for buys, right, we'll pay attention to this area, and that's where we'll be looking to secure some profits, right up in these areas here. So that's the story on gold. That's the story. Very simple here today, guys. Daily highs need a break, daily lows need a break. This sell below also breaks the previous low. So keep it simple today. Don't complicate things. It's Monday. You had a great weekend. We had a great trade on Friday, right? You guys all were able to sit with that in you this weekend, knowing I had a good trade Friday. I stayed disciplined. I stayed committed. I got what I was looking for, and I executed that shit, man. You should be proud of that, and hopefully you sat with that this weekend and had a great weekend. So that's gold, man. That is the story on gold here today. Won't be touching anything in this range, right? This is going to be a no trade range. I don't care how big it is. It's going to be a no trade range for me. I'm going to wait for those lows to break. This right here is going to be all money for me today, and down here is going to be all money for me today. So plenty of room, no bueno, and that's the story, and I'm sticking to it. And now we wait. And that's trading. If you think trading is something where you got to be jumping in and out of trades left and right, you're falsely mistaken, my friend. This thing is about setting your charts up, finding what you're looking for, finding the cleanest traffic to the left where price can move swiftly through, and now just waiting for price to get there. Just waiting for price. So yeah, we're pretty clear here on news today. We do have, let's take a look at the week. We do have CPI tomorrow, which is pretty big. Core CPI, so this is going to be a really big event. See what happens there, 8:30. And we got core retail sales here on Wednesday, Empire State Manufacturing, Intel, retail sales. So this should all be pretty big too. Oh, PPIs this week. Wow. Yeah, we got a lot of news this week. So it should be a really good week. We should have a lot of volume. It should be very nice. And then Friday, we're pretty clean. Yeah, we need some volume. That's what we need on gold. All right, let's take a look at pound yen. Oh, damn. Pound yen. Oh yeah, you see I haven't looked at pound yen either since Friday. So let's take a look here on pound yen. What's going on? Man, this daily candle just ripped. Wow. Pound yen, man, we just need a breakout here. That's all. Let's take a look at pound yen here. So you got the weekly time frame. Let's do this guy. Okay, so you got the weekly time frame here, right? You're kind of just stuck at this point. Right? Price doesn't really know what it wants to do, where it wants to go. It's just kind of ranging, kind of looks like a barcode, you know, on the price tag when you're shopping at Target, or for some of you bougie people, Target, right? So doesn't really know what it wants to do here. It's kind of stuck in this range. Obviously we closed last week. We closed bearish, right? And this candle never broke the lows. Ended up closing bullish. This candle's now opening up with no bottom wick and just blasting off, breaking the highs. Bunch of craziness happening here. We did close below this area here too. No bottom wick. Chances are this daily candle may have a big bark, but not a bite to push up, and we may see this candle come on down to create a bottom wick, being that we didn't close above this area. Now that's not saying that this candle can't, because we can close today above this area. We can close today above this area, and that would be lovely for pound yen. So we could finally get a clean bias here on the weekly time frame. But that's the story on the weekly. Let's go down to the daily, take a look at what's going on here. Daily candle has broke out of this range pretty aggressively. Was there news today on the pound? Nope. GJ. Okay. Yeah, I'm not too sure why this candle's just ripping up like that. Maybe somebody in the chat knows. But yeah, so daily candles ripping up, broke the highs of all these previous candles at this point, right? Actually just breaking all the highs here. Now let's see if it does have enough bite in its bark here to continue on up, right? Let's see if this candlestick is really about that life, and see if it pushes up. But again, no bottom wick here, very small bottom wick. Doesn't mean it has to come down and make a bottom wick. So we'll see. But we are kind of pushing up out of this range, which is pretty nice here on GJ. Let's take a look at the 4 hour, see what's going on. You do have 4 hours pumping up. Really nice push here. You do have this resistance here. Let's take a look, stretch this out a bit. Right, you do have this area up here where there's a resistance, so price is making its way. Look at this 4 hour candlestick is just ripping right now. Absolute rocket ship. 1 hour candles, yep, no bottom wicks. Here you have your beautiful 1 hour celery play. Right, you see the nice push up from there. So yeah, GJ's ripping up. We don't know where it wants to go. 1 hour time frame, you know, you have this resistance here, but it's pretty choppy. I mean, I think it's pretty choppy. All right, it's pretty choppy. I mean, if we can close above something like this on the 4 hour time frame, may consider, but I don't think I'm gonna be too interested here in pound yen today. Definitely more interested in gold. So yeah, not saying I won't take a trade here on GJ, but we've pushed up so high already. I hate taking positions on moves that are just overextended, right? You need some sort of pullback, right, on the bigger market structure, something like that, right? So we're a bit overextended here for me on GJ. Should start to get some sort of pullback at some point. Maybe we start rejecting these levels here, and if we're gonna take sells, I mean, yeah, sells would have to be back down below this area here. So not looking too good on GJ today from my perspective, but I guess you can get clean buys above here on the 4-hour time frame. Where is it? You want to look for some buys above here. You know, these candles pushed up, but they've all rejected. So, you know, if you can get a closure above, I think you can come up and retest these zones up here. But man, this thing is ripping. Ripping. Or you could look for a closure above here. Let's see what that looks like on the 1 hour. Yeah, I mean, you got it there, right? And then you got your blast off. No bottom wick though, but yeah. Yeah, not the cleanest. So yeah, we'll wait for this on pound yen. But mainly focusing here on gold today. I want to see if we can get a break out of this range, and that'll be lovely. So that's it, chat. That's it. Now we wait. What up, Johnny boy?
Yo, it's good.
Oh, you're what's good. You are what's good today, my man. How we feeling?
Feeling great, brother. What about you?
Yeah, man. Same. You had a good weekend?
Sir, bro. What about you?
Yes, sirree.
Nice.
How about that rigged Super Bowl there last night, huh?
Shit, bro. I don't know.
Joe, where's Joe? Joe's got to be in the chat. Talk to me, Joe. Come on. Last flag of the game.
Literally.
Yeah, as you guys know, I don't pay too much attention to sports, but I get invited and go hang out, for the fellowship. I love fellowship, so got to hang out with some good, really, really good friends yesterday and watch a little bit of the game, eat some good food, had all the kids running around, and that's what it's really all about. Not the game itself, but man, that last flag, I don't know, that was questionable. Looks like a fix to me.
Could be, man. All professional sports could be scripted. Who knows?
Yes, sir. What you think, chat? Was the Super Bowl fixed? They had to give the Chiefs something, and that was the time to do it. It was like tied up. It was like 35 each or something, and they threw a random hold. Didn't even affect the play. The ball was like way overthrown. Wouldn't even have. Yeah, I don't know. Crazy. What are you looking at here today, John?
Waiting for gold to break out of this range.
Yeah, range looks pretty similar to yours, or what?
Yeah, 100%. Spot on.
Nice.
Yeah, GJ, I probably won't touch it today. I mean, maybe buys above 160 levels. And that's really it.
Yeah.
We did get a closure on GJ, just no bottom wick.
Yeah, I noticed that. 4 hours clean, but you still kind of closed right at it, so probably wouldn't have taken that. I mean, after that bottom wick, I may have, but you kind of closed.
Yeah, no.
You kind of closed right at it, but you did close above.
Yep.
But you know, that was earlier, so 1 hour salary was pretty clean, especially after that closure. But no bottom wick, no entry.
No.
I didn't watch the whole. Oh, I did watch the whole game, but didn't see the last flag. My old ass didn't make it. Yeah, if I wasn't out at a friend's house, I would have probably not even watched the game. I would have been in bed too. Didn't get home till like 11 or something. 11. Did anybody come over, John?
Yeah, Jerry L did, and Terry.
Terry. Nice. Very nice. Yeah, we're chilling here, man. It's a Monday. It's a Monday. Oh, we got a salary play on the 15-minute. Where's this 4-hour flip? Yeah, if you're anticipating the 4-hour candle to flip and drive, then this is where the flip is, right? So you have a wick to fill here about 30 pips below. So depending on how this looks when it happens and when it happens, may be able to get positions below here too. Let's take a look. Let's look left here. Let's look left. Try and get some information. What's going on? Closed below, drove down. Yeah, I mean, this actually doesn't look bad. If you get a close below this area here at 1856.899, which is basically the 4-hour flip. If you notice, price has, if you look left here, when we closed below, we drove down to fill the range. Closed below, drove down to fill the range. This candle failed to close above, and we ended up coming down to fill the range. So let's see what happens here. We might be able to get sells below there, which would be anticipating that 4-hour to flip. Now, will we get it, or when will we get it? We'll see, but you know, if it happens during times of volume, then there's a potential there, right? There's a potential. So, but again, this is going to be your safer sell because we're breaking higher time frame lows. So it's a Monday too, so you don't really want to get too out of whack here. No news today, so. Green, how was your birthday, bro? Talk to us. What'd you do? What'd you do, man? Green has some waffles. Some crazy looking breakfast. I told him, man, post that in the Discord, my bro. People need to see that. So funny. Food.
What'd you eat last night, Nick?
We barbecued, so we had like barbecue chicken, cheeseburgers, sliders, hot dogs, stuff like that.
Sounds fire.
Yeah. Food. Green must have spent $2,000 on food this weekend. Because it looked good. It looked good. I bet you didn't save me none. I bet this guy didn't save me none. Hey, what up, Sean? Nice, bro. Good work. S&P. WW for Sean. What up, Sean? Happy Monday. Good to see you here. Good work. Sean, yeah, you happy. You're definitely happy because you didn't even say what up. You didn't even say happy Monday. You just said, yo, I made 3 G's on my challenge today on minis S&P 500. I can kind of hear you screaming that. It's good, man. It's good to be fired up. He didn't even pop in the chat and say what up. He just said, yo, I just crushed this trade. But yeah, good work, man. Good work. Good job. 3 G's, man. 3 G's is 3 G's. Goes a long way. What up, Sean? What up, Sean J? Sean J in the house. Hey. Yeah, it's another day in the office, baby. Never too high, never too low. Just straight R2D2. R2D2. Yup. Who you taking the challenge with, Sean? Which company? A few guys are taking the challenge. I'm doing a challenge. Let's get everyone funded here. My heart was racing left up, but I knew I was 99% sure. Awesome. Beautiful. beautiful. Elite trading, 75% fast strike. Nice. Very nice. Very nice. $14 days to pass. Dope. Beautiful. Never heard of them. Elite Trading. I have to look them up. Let's take a look.
How to edit a video.
Yeah, chat. I'm a little upset. I was supposed to have a microphone here. today, but it'll be here soon. It will be here soon. Nice. Yeah, let's take a look. Elite trading. Yeah, there's a lot of prop firms coming out now. A lot of competition out there. So hopefully they all fight and battle and they just make it better for us.
Wish that should happen.
Right? Who can make it more appealing to the trader. Elite trading. Surge is another. Yeah, I'm looking at Surge here too. Yeah, I believe MFF is the best. FTMO you would consider the best, right? But MFF is right there because they have better targets and they have a little bit better rules for a trader. And these targets aren't a bad thing, right? These targets are designed to help you. If you look at it like this, right? They're designed to help you get better, trade more like a professional, not over risk your account, be smart when you trade. So I like the rules. I like having a rule-based system. You should have that, right?
100%. These can really teach you how to not blow accounts and to actually just grow them.
Facts. Right, because you don't want to be popping a 5% drawdown a day anyway, right? So I don't know what the point of really being mad at. I mean, unless you're trading with maybe like $1,000 account, or like it's tough to maybe stick to that 5%. I understand that. Like on my personal accounts, like sometimes I'll just over leverage them, but that's just money that you can afford to do that with. So, but if you really want to get funded with 6-7 figures, like, man, 5%, like no need to even come near drawdown like that. Made 3%, lost 11 hundo, made it back 36 hundo. Nice, very good. Gave your trade a second chance, or you took a new trade? Yeah, Surge Trader I'm looking at here. I don't think do they have a time limit? Looks like they don't have a time limit.
Oh.
It's a company called Surge Trader.
They don't have a time limit?
Nah. Nope.
Well,
let's take a look.
What is like the...
No time limit for Surge. They're out of Tampa. Oh, nice. Let's take a look. Keep up to 90% of the profits. You could do that with my forex funds too. Profit target 10%. Daily loss is 4%. 20-to-1 leverage. Max trade. $700 for 100K. Not bad, especially with no time limit. Oh, really? They live in Naples? What up, Juan? Good morning, bro. Yeah, but they cost too much for someone who's pocket loose. They're opening a trading floor in Naples. Oh, wow. Oh, snap. tell me you guys got some competition down there. They're set to open second quarter. Wow. Yeah, $700, but it's no time limit. So that's the thing. There's no time limit here. Never that. They can't compete with the trade club. Profit target. So yeah, no time limit here.
What's their profit target?
10%.
Oh.
Not bad. They use MT5, MT4. We're going to continue to move in an era of more and more of these props. Yo, take advantage, man. These prop firms are life-changing, bro.
No,
Like,
literally.
you know, John is a young kid. He could be managing up to $300,000 in the next 6 months. Like, no matter who you are, don't matter what age you are, you could be managing $300,000 6 months from now in your account, risking 0.5% a day, looking at $1,500 days, $3,000 days. Like,
Yeah. The opportunity's there, man.
the opportunity's there. Times 76% in 2 weeks is easy. You only need to be green. The green to make it. Gotcha. Exactly. Scott makes a good point too. Like, can you imagine how long it would take to actually build up and have a $600,000 fund for your trading? Like, I don't know about you, but I know I don't have. I mean, unless some of you guys got some money buried in the backyard that I don't know about, it's gonna take a while to get 600K just to play with in the markets. Never mind 600K
profit.
So you can take advantage of a prop firm if you can trade maturely, right, and be disciplined, and wait for your setups to come and trade your system, and you can get that in less than 6 months.
And you can learn how to be a successful trader as well.
Yep.
Because the rules apply to that.
Yep, you can get chipped up a bit. Maybe take a couple losses or blow some challenges, and then learn and be
So
right on your way.
too.
Such an opportunity. Yep. How much do you risk per trade on the challenge? 0.7%. So 0.7% up until I get up at least like about 3%, and then when I get up 3%, I will start to up my risk. So I'll start shooting for like 1.2%, 1.4%, and do it that way. And just
so as
build
his
that
count
buffer.
gets bigger,
Yep.
his risk gets bigger.
Yep.
If his count gets smaller, his risk gets smaller.
Yep.
And that's a smart way to play it, for sure.
Yep. Yeah, let's say we go up 3%. We'll up the risk, right? We'll put the risk now, instead of 0.7%, we'll double it. We'll double it to, let's say, 1.4%, 1.5% per trade. If we end up falling back below 3%, we'll go back to 0.7%, right? Until we get back over that hill, right? Once we are above that 3%, well, now we're up at 1.4, 1.5%, and then really once we get above like 4 to 5%, then we can kind of put like 2% risk on it at that point. But the setup's got to be there. It's not a random trade. It's not a random, let's just throw 2%, for the hell of it. I've been there, right? It's calculated. It's only trades that are part of the playbook. And when they are part of the playbook, you can confidently execute on those trades. I risk it all, but have to. Fast strike doesn't allow. Why do you have to risk it all?
Risk all of what? Your account?
I risk it all, but I have to. They make you trade certain percentage. Or lot size per trade? Different rules for the evaluation. Interesting, interesting. I would love to open a prop firm. Yeah, there's so much money in. If you own a prop firm, you can make so much money. Because there's so many degenerate gamblers out there. They're not traders, they're just degens. And they make a lot of money off of failed challenges. Lots of money. Oh, Elite has trading view you can trade off of? That's cool. That's pretty cool. Yeah, that's pretty cool. You can trade right off of trading view here. I think I heard that was coming. I think Trader's Domain wanted to do that. I think Jay was telling me that. Yeah, that's a profitable business. Oh, my forex funds accelerated program, yeah. Okay, so that's where they give you an account, right? You can just buy a live account. Yeah, the profit splits are trash on that though, in my opinion. Like, yeah, you can get instant funding, but it's like, I think it was like 50-50 or something. I was trading on my phone with no stop loss, which is why I lost that 1100. Makes sense.
For real.
Makes sense. All right, we have the 8 a.m. open here. NY open, still in the range a bit. See how GJ closed. Still in this range here. No rush here today, chat. No rush. I had 140 positions open max. Whoa. How's that even possible?
Wait, what he said?
I had 140 positions open. Like actual like trading positions you talking about? Yeah, you can see price now pull down, retest these lows here with the 8 a.m. open here. Got volume on your side. I won't be touching that though. %5 max drawdown on the account. Yeah, it's 5% on the whole account, not just during the day. I mean, not just for one day. Whole account. Yeah, I think the evaluations are good because once you pass those, you at least you can get a 85% to 80 to 90% profit split. You want somewhere up there, right? You want at least 75% profit split. You're the one trading at the end of the day, right? They work for you. They're one of your clients. Yeah, my forex funds. Yep, Thomas. Same evaluation program. Dope. Yeah, we took our first trade on it Friday. First trade on the evaluation was Friday. right here. It's based off the 15-minute time frame. And closed some partials, and the rest got tapped out. I don't know why it's not showing. The rest got tapped out at break even. Right here. This position right here, it was 9:30. Had volume on our side, broke the lows, and we were targeting down in this area to close some positions, and that's what we did. And that was the trade. Runner got stopped out back up here when this new 15-minute candle was making its top wick right here. It stopped us out. But we closed 50%. We were really anticipating for a nice drive that we're still anticipating, right? To come on down into these areas here, fill this range. So we're still looking for that overall on the weekly. You dig? Am I the only person who's got their eyes on their largest 300K account? No, sir. No, sir. That's a nice account. I want to pass 100K and keep that consistent for most of the year. Follow my plan. Yup. Yes, sir. So I'll do a bunch of challenges on this YouTube. Pass them. Get funded. We'll do 100K. Next we'll do the 200K, and then after that we'll do a 300K.
That's fire.
Or should we start from the 5K? 5K, 10K, 20K. I'm greedy. I love breakouts. Nice. Yeah, this candle should push down here to retest the low. So yeah, but I don't want to get a new account on everything, then have to trade both so I could still get paid. Yeah, if I were you, I would just recommend, taking whatever account you're on, focusing the first 6 months of the year of really getting that account, getting the live account, getting payouts on that account. And then, around month 6 or 7 of the year, you could look to, take another challenge. Maybe you already got like enough money for your bills and you can, take some time. You could also use a copy trader as well. I have not used that yet, but you can use a copy trader also. $7 million. Sheesh. Sheesh. 7 milli. Once you get to 100K, it's like your top flight security, Craig. That's so true. Getting all bougie. Man, 7 mil, that's goals right there. 7 milli. %, 70 grand. Amazing. 70 grand in a trade. Yeah, 7K, that'd be amazing. That 70K in a day. Now you're talking.
Bro, that's what I'm pushing for, man.
Yep, you'll get it. Hey, if you're locked in on it at some point and you don't quit, you don't give up, and you really actually work to become better, you'll get there. You'll get there.
That's really
Facts.
fast, man.
All right, what up, Tandy?
Good morning, boys.
Morning,
Morning,
brother.
How are you guys doing today?
Oh, great, man. How are you?
Awesome.
Doing amazing. Another beautiful day in Florida. Another beautiful day to be alive.
Yes, sir.
That's facts.
Ain't that the truth? Man, it was a little chilly when I went outside this morning.
For real, yeah. I had to put on a little turtleneck to go to the gym.
Right?
A little brisk weather outside.
Yeah, it was cold, man. I actually seen my breath as I was breathing this morning out there. I was like, whoa.
For real.
But regardless, hot or cold, it is just a beautiful day. It's a Monday, you're alive, you're breathing, you're sitting down doing something you're passionate about.
Chilling with the boys.
Chilling with the
And
boys and
girls.
girls.
Making money.
We worldwide at this point, man. We got 100 subs at this point. Scott was like, yo, it's a good day. We got 100 subs. I went and looked, 100 subs on the channel.
Nice.
So appreciate y'all.
Yeah,
Call you
man.
Pitbull, Mr. Worldwide, dude. Oh,
We're
yeah.
moving. We're just the goal is to create a movement and impact traders, help traders get funded if that's what they want to do, help them build their own capital if that's what they want to do. But overall, just, be an example of what it's like to just, be a disciplined professional trader, right? Get off of the Instagram with all the cars and all the jewelry and all the flashy stuff and just sit right here live. You feel me? Like this is what it takes. This is what it is right here. And that's what I want to open up the door for you guys to see is just what it's like to trade, right? All that flashy stuff, it's gonna come from your trading, no doubt about it. Like that's just a byproduct. But in order to get that, you really gotta know what it's like to sit on the charts, right? Because you can see people taking trades on airplanes and at the beach, and that's just unrealistic in my opinion, right? This is where it goes down. It don't go down in the DM. It goes down right here. This is where it goes down. Live markets every day.
Word.
This 8 a.m. candle needs to be really pumping a lot harder. This is a super slow. If we were outside of the range, I guarantee that would be way more volume in that candle. It's worth the wait. It's worth the wait on this Monday. $30-minute, break the lows. I want to see this candle drive here. So this could be a pretty valid entry right here to continue down. Something like that. I'll make a decision at the time, but as of right now, I'll be waiting for sells below here. But we got to get there somehow. What's a copy trader? A copy trader is just that. It copies your trades, right? So like you could link it to multiple accounts, and then you can take, and you can, I guess you can, I have not used one yet, but you can basically set the risk parameters on each account, and you could be trading one account, but in 5 other accounts, it'll be taking that same position at that same risk, you know, same stop losses. It's basically mimicking the account, right? So same TP, when the TP gets hit, or when you close partials, it'll close partials on that other account. So you could basically operate like multiple accounts just off of one account. So you could basically have a $7 million account linked to your copy trader and just trade $100 account. So you're looking at small numbers, but your $7 million account is doing work. I'm guessing it's in the name. Yeah. Yep, pretty much. Pretty much. This candle should come down and retest the lows. Shouldn't have a problem doing that. Especially the next 30-minute candle. If we can get a 30-minute candle to close, this 30-minute candle to close below this range, then we could definitely take some sells. Definitely look good. Alright, this candle closes below. Next 30 makes a top wick. Should drive. You do have these wicks here to the left hand side. That could get filled. Alright, and then you do have this support down there. So potential entry on the 30-minute, based off the 30-minute time frame here. Just got to get that candle to close here below, which 8 a.m. volume should bring in volume, should be able to do it. The one thing here though that, you know, we need to finally do is, you see how these two candles, they all rejected, right? So you don't know if this candle is going to reject to go back up, or, you know, you kind of want to wait. If you look left, you could always find data, all right? There we go. Here comes the volume. Here comes the volume. Hey, okay, Jay, okay. My man. Put it down, Jay, put it down. Give me a sec, guys. If you guys want, you could ask John and Tandy some questions here. It's playing. Yeah, it's preparing for CPI. Yep. Big news tomorrow. I'll be right back.
Yo, yo, yo.
Yo, what's going on, brother?
Good morning, good morning.
Morning.
How you doing?
I'm doing great, bro. What about yourself?
Chilling, bro. Just looking at gold in this range and trying to see what up.
Yeah, man, waiting for a breakout out of this range for sure.
Hopefully the sell. Fucking sell
Yeah.
looks money.
Definitely. I mean, that's what we're heading down to, so.
Yeah. I wanted that shit on Friday, bro. Gold decided to play some BS with me. Play with my emotions on Friday.
For real, bro.
He closed all freaking doji bullish on the top side there. I was like, God, no sell candle.
Not yet.
Are you in Florida right now, bro?
Nah.
Oh, you didn't go down?
Nah, yeah, I'm leaving tomorrow afternoon.
Oh, nice,
Yeah,
nice.
yeah, so I'll be there tomorrow.
All right. Morning, Jay.
Good morning, my man. How you doing?
Good, good, good. How was your weekend?
It was great.
Nice.
Nice and sunny over here.
Uh-oh, sunny, sunny, sunny. The weather was good this weekend?
Hell
Up
yeah.
in Seattle?
It was amazing.
All right, beautiful. Candles dropping, looking very nice. So, what was the weather like this weekend? Pretty warm?
Up here?
Yeah,
No, the sun was out, but the cool air was still out. So it was like
Gotcha.
still hoodie weather, but
gotcha.
the sun was out.
Yeah, we had some rain come in that really cooled it down over here.
That's normal for Florida. Rain, shine, rain, shine.
Tomorrow it's gonna be 77 and sunny
Nice.
for the boys' arrival.
You guys watched the Sheepa Bowl? I mean Super Bowl?
Yup, I seen it was all rigged up
Yeah,
too.
saw some. Saw
Yeah?
some.
Did you guys place any money?
No.
Bet
Nope.
anything?
No, sir.
No?
Nope.
I feel like watching sports now, you have to bet something. Like, I don't know. For some reason- I
You
don't know,
can't
for
watch
some reason,
without betting anymore.
Everybody's
I
just
know.
like, yo, you betting on this? You betting on this? It's like, oh, everybody's betting on games now. It's like the new thing.
Yeah, imagine it used to be illegal.
I know, right? And now you can't even buy freaking crypto without fucking government up your ass. Oh, you can gamble online for free. Like, yeah, go waste your money.
Yeah, really.
It's wild.
Anybody see any crypto commercials? I'm asking because I didn't watch the Super Bowl. I didn't care for it.
Honestly, I don't think I did, but I may have missed them. I really didn't
let it-
watch. I was like kind of paying attention, but honestly, I was more just like hanging out, chilling.
Just eating. He's like, yeah,
Yeah, just hanging, chilling with some friends I haven't seen in a while, so
I came
catching
here for
up.
the beer and the pizza.
had the kids running around, so
Nice.
only so much you can do these days with these kids, you know what I mean?
Definitely.
These kids, man, these kids. Oh, rejected that support.
Yeah, this zone right here is gonna be
Very
like, you couldn't
choppy.
even break out of this during Asian or London. So
Yeah. Yeah, that would have
That's
been
really-
break even if anyone got in, or if I would have got in, I probably would have moved stops to break even around this 20 pip mark. So I would have got tapped.
sell wasn't even all that, and I was like, what, 20
Nah.
pips?
If we can get the closure on the 30-minute below the support, though, I think that'll be pretty nice. Pretty nice. Let's make sure Magic Keys is ready to do its job here today. Put in the work. Oh, she's always ready. Where'd the chat go? Where'd the chat go? Looking good. Gold dropping. Yep, gold is dropping. It's pretty much doing exactly what we want it to do here. You ask, you will receive. Excuse me. See if we can get a closure below. Closure. George, did you trade the London session today? Or you just NY session? I did, man, but no trades for me. Did have a closure below, but no top wick formed. Literally dropped straight away, yeah. Was that this candle? This one? Might have been this one. Yeah, that was nice because you did have a closure back into this range here. Yeah, if you would have got a top wick, drive down, that would have been a nice trade.
Oh, that is May. Yo, Casberry. Caseberry.
Which one?
Hey, May.
Oh, May. Hey, May. Where at? Oh, there. Oh, hey, May. What's going on? Good to see you.
And husband.
Good to see you on the chat. Let me bring the boys over.
I miss you. I hope you're doing great. I know you are.
I literally saw her. I was like, wait, who? I was like, that's May.
What up, May? Shout out to May.
Shout out, May.
Shout
Love
out,
you,
May.
Miss you.
What up, May?
She's legendary.
She's the inspiration. I'm gonna say that right now.
Yeah,
Woman
sorry,
out here
May. I didn't know
closing
that was you at
35%.
first.
Yeah, I
Beast.
the name, but yeah, Casberry.
Only reason I saw it is because she mentioned us three. I was like, oh wait, that's
Yes, waiting for your happy response. Miss you guys so much. Hey, May. Your Instagram makes me hungry. I mean, every time I open it up and I see your post, my stomach starts growling.
Seriously, always has those good food on there.
Hope you're killing
Yeah,
it.
good to see you, May.
You're probably getting 1,000 pips. You're probably 1,000 pips up right now.
Stacked in.
Back to risking 100%. Gosh.
How's the
May, give
day?
us a little insight.
How's the day in
How's the
Australia today, May? It's a nice Australian day. Oh, we closed right at it, huh? Yeah, no bueno.
Oh, I can't wait, man. It'll be the best day ever.
One day we'll meet up, yeah. Treat you guys to a great meal. Yeah, that'd be dope. Nice fellowship.
Excited.
Cool and beautiful. Yeah, nice day, huh? Very nice day. I'm coming too. Green's coming. Green's jumping on the flight to Australia. Definitely fellowship. Yep. Praise God. Green's coming. Hey, we might be on the time to eat private jet by that time. We'll see what's up. Yes, Green. Yep, Green's invited. Green's invited. Praise the Lord. Yeah, amen.
Amen.
Amen. Good fellowship. Good fellowship. Yeah, chat. We have volume right now. We didn't close below, so therefore I'm not taking an entry. I don't care what this thing does. Not gonna get in here. If we get these were our original bias here for sells, so if anything, we just wait for closure below and ride it down. But no close below, no entry for me. Yeah, Australia, let's go. Oh, you
Bring
coming
some
to the USA? Yeah, let us know.
I really want to try Vegemite. Bring some Vegemite.
Hey, my daughter's favorite show, it's Bluey, and well, that's really the only show she watches. But Bluey, and they're from Australia.
Are they dogs?
They're dogs, yep. Hey,
She loves
Meg,
that stuff.
Price gotta quit mucking around in this range here. They always use the term mucking around, mucking around.
Mata, 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 mata.
1851. Yeah, same here. Same here. That's really what we're looking forward to.
Wow.
We got the.
She's giving out the free signal in the chat right there.
Yep,
What?
there it is. 1851 to 1824. Oh wow.
Oh, she's waiting. Oh, shit.
Oh,
She's waiting
way
to close
down.
all the way down there. You're waiting for the sell-off, man. You think we're gonna get that today?
I mean,
I'm expecting a bottom wick. I mean, I don't know if it's gonna be deep, but I mean, we've been propped up this whole like between last week and this week.
Let's take a look here, May.
I think maybe 37-ish.
She.
Yeah, I mean the weekly time frame, I would say for sure. And May, you still swing trade, right? I think May swing traded. Definitely, definitely. Today, my targets are going to be in these areas. But you never know with gold. Definitely a possibility.
Waiting for CPI. Sure. Yeah, let me see.
When is that?
Yeah,
Wednesday?
CPI, that's the thing. That's tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Mañana.
Nice.
We got news every day besides Friday.
Every day this week.
Yeah, we got PPI, retail sales.
So nothing today. No,
No,
news today?
nothing today. Yeah, nothing going on.
Thanks, May. There you go. Just finding the craft and other things. Finding beauty in life.
What'd she say? Hold on, I gotta check.
It's like loving your garden.
Oh yeah, Tandy's garden.
Yo, the thing that I got yesterday, mind blown. Just crazy.
Not today, waiting for CPI chances, I mean, yeah. Yeah, Tandy's got the garden.
The garden of life.
He's got life all around him. Yeah, good to have you here, May. You are you still trading gold only, or? What kind of garden, Tandy?
The legal ones.
A pot field garden.
Not the one you're thinking of, George.
Yeah.
Gold
just got,
only,
like-
nice.
Some greenery right there, you know.
Damn.
and then it's that garden out there. It's looking a little rough right now because it was cold and tropical plants hate that. So, but it's fun.
Focused on one pair. Yeah, nice.
Gold the best pair. I mean,
Yeah, gold.
can't go wrong with that. Unless you're trading US 30, then that's different.
Let's take a look at US 30, boys and girls. US oil. Hey, look at that. See, I look at US 30. Trust me, I've been looking at this for about 6 months now. No, 9 months. US 30. So maybe if GJ continues acting like this,
Yep, she's gonna get the boot.
she may get the boot this year, man. She may get it. We might have to send GJ to the gulag.
Well, yeah, we're getting ready for US 30 and stuff. You know, gotta.
So don't worry, Chad. I got my eyes on it.
No one responded to my Saturday message for the simulation.
Where?
Mentally.
He's like, oh yeah, I forgot to type it in the chat. Yeah.
Oh.
Oh.
I was like, I didn't see that shit.
Yeah, I may do a webinar here and then maybe over the weekend, like a Q&A type of deal. Like whoever wants to jump on, chat, chop it up for a little bit.
That'd be cool.
Little Q&A, little chart breakdown, go over some of the plays in the playbook, all that good stuff.
A little smoke sesh? I'm just...
No.
A little sesh.
Yeah, smoking the charts. That's it.
Smoking the charts.
have my camera off.
How was that drive yesterday, Nick?
Not bad at all. It was a straight run for me.
Very nice.
It actually didn't take that long at all either.
Sometimes, like, you hit that sweet spot of traffic, there's nothing, and you're just cruising.
Yeah, it was pretty clean. Got there just in time for the food.
Nice.
How
Was
far
it?
was the drive?
It wasn't actually that far. It was about 30 minutes. That was all. 30 minutes there and back.
From West Tampa to Apollo Beach?
Yeah. Yup.
Wow.
Yup. And there was a lot of traffic too on the way back actually, because everyone was dipping out of their Super Bowl session.
Yeah, I like Apollo Beach. I was looking at places over there. It's just kind of like Wesley Chapel, where it's just not really constructed yet.
Yeah, they're doing a lot of building up there, or down there, I should say.
I think that's going to be like the next like Sarasota or like.
Yeah, bro, man. I have a few friends that live down there. They actually live in the same neighborhood. Freaking beautiful neighborhood, bro.
Mm-hmm. Great pricing.
Yeah, they're living good down there.
Yo, you're getting fakes made of you like every single day, dude.
Yeah, guys, chat, beware of the fake pages, man. Please, it's at this point, no one should ever get scammed online. I feel like that period should be over with, right? If you're gonna buy something, I sell a couple things when it comes to like education. That if you want, you could go find it on my Instagram, but if you're gonna buy something from me or from anyone else, please get someone on a voice call, get them on a video call. Don't just send $1,000 over to somebody and especially send it in crypto. I mean, come on.
Facts.
Damn.
By the way, I'm not taking any crypto either, as of right now. So if someone messages you, telling you that they want payment in crypto, that's not me. So just be aware.
Who'd I send that BTC to then?
Yeah, bro. Who'd I send that 3 BTC to?
I thought it was your profile and it had pictures of me. I was like, oh, this guy's legit. Yeah, I sent it for 1,500 in BTC. I said, all right. He knows what he's doing. Damn, bro, that wasn't you? Fuck.
Yeah. I will never, ever, ever, ever hit you up first to be like, hey, you want to join my signals? Hey, you want to get my course? Hey, you want to? I will never do that. So if anyone hits you up and is saying that, that is not me. That is not me. Gotta beware, man. That's why I took my kids down from my whole page, man, because these creeps, bro, they'll steal your pictures. They got pictures of my kids, my wife. I'm like, nah.
Weird.
Took all that down. And I mean, I know it's part of the game. Like, I understand that. But that's why I had to take down the pics of my kids and stuff, bro.
I just, well, I don't know.
Creepy. Creepy.
I think most of my followers are your fake pages now.
Yeah.
Got like over 1,000.
Yeah, beware the fakes. No one should be getting faked out anymore. It's literally 2023. I mean, I could understand if it was like, you know, early 2000s or something, like, but at this point, I mean, you should be well aware that people are scamming on the internet. Peak viewers? Oh, nice. Shout out to the peak viewers today. Welcome everyone. If you can, like the stream. Appreciate you coming by and just hanging out with us today as we wait patiently for gold to do its thing here.
21 was it? We already had 20 on Friday. 21 official.
I think we had 24 at one point.
Oh.
Yeah, I seen like 24 or 26. I can't remember exactly what it was, but it was something like that. But we're going to 2,400 to 24,000. That's where we're going. So, but I do appreciate all you guys coming by. Like, I'm doing this for y'all. You know, like, it's something I've wanted to do, but I really do want to help you guys. So it's crazy with these scammers. They've been trying to make the profit close to look like your profile close to yours, sending me follow requests, and I know how fraud works. Yep. I was in law enforcement in Jamaica and I investigated fraud. Yeah, there's a lot of fraud in Jamaica too, man. A lot of fraud. A lot of scammers. Yeah, this would have been our trading candle here if we had that closure, but we did not get it. It'd be nice to see a nice close like this below, and then 9 a.m. we close something like this. Let's say right, and then we can have volume kicking at 9:30. Take our play moving down for the celery for the dub. So that's what I'll be looking for on the 30-minute time frame. That would be ideal. Entries would be right here, stops above here. Looking to fill the range and continue down. So that's an idea. XAU Gold Goblin in the house. You two dragged me here out of nowhere. Hey, must be destined then, man. It must be destined for you.
I like that name.
Yeah, I like that. Gold Goblin, man. That is sick.
Ooh.
At 8:44. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you stopping by. We do trade gold here, so thanks for coming by and hanging out with us. Hey, the algorithm's working. Yeah, welcome, man. Welcome to the stream. The algorithm is working because of you guys, so I appreciate that. I really do. Let's get this out to more and more traders. If you guys have friends that trade, put them on with the stream. If you have family that trades, put them on with the stream. If your mama trades, put them on with the stream. Put them all on, and we'll be happy to welcome them in here and answer any questions. and you know, try and give you guys some insight. XAU Goblin. Shout out to the Goblin. You gobbling up these pips or what? Yeah, that's a solid name.
Hey,
Appreciate you coming by though. All right, what time is it? Last 15-minute candle is 1 hour. Should see somewhat of a pullback. Hopefully we get a closure below. That'd be really nice. Yeah, what I drew out would be ideal. We can get this 9 a.m. candle to close a little bullish, but below this range, 9:30, we take the ride down, boys and girls.
sir.
We take the ride down.
Getting paid to wait.
Yep.
I got my fast pass, so I'm ready.
Let's go.
Come on.
Yeah, we haven't gotten an early trade at all on stream.
Yeah, for real.
Haven't gotten an early trade in quite some time. Let me take a look here.
Word. Just in February in general too. Like,
Yeah. Let's take a look here at the spreadsheet.
It's waiting for daylight savings time to start again, you know?
Yo, it might be. Honestly. Yeah, not even in January, man.
I had some in January.
8 a.m. February has been a bit slow here. We're only 3 trades into February.
Not for real, man.
We got 2 dubs and a break even here. Yeah, 2 dubs and a BE. $9.30. Today's looking like another 9:30. Looking like another 9:30.
Yo, boys, since we're waiting here, what are you guys doing for Valentine's Day tomorrow? I completely forgot that shit was even this month. I mean, I know it's February, but damn.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
Tandy.
We all did, bro. We all forgot. It's okay. It's a good thing we got money. Just give them money.
Just give them money.
Dude, that's what I bro. This weekend, I was like the one day, and they're like, "Oh, what are we doing for Valentine's Day? When's Valentine's Day? The 14th. So what?
Tomorrow.
Money flowers.
Yeah, you know, I got a little something for the wifey, you know.
I thought maybe Nick was prepared. I didn't know about Tandy. I didn't know about the youngest group, my man John here. So that's why I was asking you.
John's
guys.
John's flying to Tampa on Valentine's Day. His girl's like, "Yo, what you doing, bro?"
Nah, yeah, so I'm flying. So I already took my girl out on Saturday, and I got her some flowers, chocolates, candy, you know.
See?
There you go. Take notes, gentlemen.
Take him. I gotta take him, bro. Back in my high school days, I was doing the same thing: chocolates, flowers, teddy bears. Did you get anything after that?
I wrote her a note, and
No,
I probably.
Hey, there you go.
I'm probably gonna get a little something else, but I didn't have time because I'm different.
We're gonna keep it PG on the stream here.
That's the secret sauce, man. You gotta write him a good note, a good love letter.
Nah, weird.
Nothing like a love letter.
For real.
Are you
But-
trading CPI or spending time with your Valentine? Yeah, a little bit of both.
CPI is my Valentine. I'm just kidding.
Don't be a simp, chat. Just be a gentleman.
Hey, there you go. Take notes from a 17-year-old.
Take notes from the boy.
Jot it down.
Oh yeah.
We raise gentlemen out here.
Flowers, chocolates, teddy bears, and cash.
Hey, Tassie, how are you? Good morning, good afternoon.
Morning, morning.
I'm not sure what it is, but happy new day. It's gonna be a good one. Yeah, Valentine's Day. I gotta pick the boys up at the airport.
Word. What are you doing, Jay? For
I
Valentine's.
unfortunately have a date with a client in downtown Seattle, so I'll be working.
Okay.
Yeah, I will be working on Valentine's Day.
Working.
Word. What about you, Tandy?
Tandy's still trying to come up with something. He's like hoping that they don't like.
He
I
just
hope they don't
realized
ask me
tomorrow's
right now.
Valentine's Day.
So Lily's getting her wisdom teeth removed over the weekend, next weekend. So
Oh, you should have done it this weekend.
We did.
See.
we went and got sushi and all that stuff.
Oh no.
Oh, you already did the Valentine's Day dance too?
I just need to give
Damn,
her.
all you boys are ready, bro.
So that's what I'm trying to think of.
You
I
gotta get her a
forgot.
gift.
I was supposed to do that yesterday.
It's alright, you can go home late today.
But
Yeah.
it's open off.
Hey Tandy, I know you were getting ready to do something else, something big.
Oh.
Was
it
that?
Valentine's Day?
Nah.
Oh, okay,
All
okay.
right. My man said it with such confidence. Nah.
Got it.
I'm saving up for it. I'm shopping around right now.
Yeah, get it done,
Nice.
Tandy.
Word.
That's
Dude,
that's
Tandy,
that's your girl right there, man.
Tandy, I'm gonna send you something.
That's your
on the
ride or
chat.
die.
I got you.
Facts.
Get it done, Tandy. Get it done.
If anybody can make cool rings,
Dude, that's what I'm sending you right. I'm sending you it right now. Hold on.
friendship rings.
Passed my 100K challenge today. Let's go.
Oh.
Congratulations. Good work.
Big
Good
thing.
work.
Congrats, bro.
Clap it up for Tassie. Way to go. Good job. We got 6 minutes here for this candle to close.
She's about to get paid.
Yo, just keep that same discipline. Same discipline that it took to win that challenge. Just nothing changes. If anything, lower your risk a little bit when you're live, and just keep that same discipline, that same professionalism, and you'll get yourself some payouts.
Yep.
It's life changing, man. All right, so this 1 hour candle is going to close here in about 5 minutes. You really want to see, I'm expecting a pullback, obviously, the top wick, all that good stuff. We'll see what we're looking like here. Could get a potential trade. We have a new 4 hour candle that's starting. So, yeah, nice rejections to the top side here in the 4 hour. So if we get like a decent bottom wick here, we could either look to take positions after we get a top wick, like this, and be in right here, or we could wait for that celery play at 9:30, depending on how this candle closes and all that good stuff. This would be nice as well. And then the sell's coming down. So 2 different ideas, 2 different scenarios. Let's see what we get here. Thank you. Your analysis helped me a lot on gold. Hey, awesome. Perfect. Perfect. Well, that's the goal here. That's the goal. Very nice. So definitely expecting a bit of a push up here with a new 4-hour candle. I want to see some sort of a top wick, right? Before we head down, so 4 hours clean though. Closing below these areas. Let's take a look at that daily time frame. Daily's pushing down. It's gonna break the low.
2 minutes.
2 minutes. What's one thing you guys are noticing here?
Like pattern wise or lower highs?
Yeah, you got this high. This high is lower than that high. This one's lower than that one. Lower, lower. So we are heading down.
Or like it's just gonna waterfall down.
Yeah. See, I'm still a bit skeptical about this low here. Right? Because at
Just because that other.
any point this daily candle, if it respects the low, we could pump up. So I am still a bit skeptical.
You would rather below 1853?
1851. We have... There was a reason I put that line there. I think it was even further back. Sometimes you really gotta look left. So we have like these closure below, drove down, closure below, drove down, closure below, drove down, close below, drove down, close below, drove down. So we have to break the daily low somehow if it's gonna break, right? So all right, so that's the new 1 hour candle. All right, perfect. So it kind of popped down right away, which is nice. Let's take a look here. So Yeah, that celery play would look clean. If we come up, create a top wick, fail to break this high, close bullish below. Next candle we could drive down at 9:30. So we'll see what happens. Either way, we got no top wick here, so nothing yet. Nothing. Yeah, not creating a lot of opportunities, but letting gold open the door. Yep. Yeah, the celery you use from Don. Yep, that's where we got the celery from Controller FX.
Shout out Don.
Yeah, shout out to Don. Really helped me refine my edge in a major way this past year. So shout out to Don. He's the one that Don and Raja are the two guys who I really learned this from, and it's been great to sit on their streams and watch them, and they've inspired me and encouraged me to go out and do the same thing. So that's why we're here. That's why we're here. So shout out to Don. I got both of you guys open on each monitor right now. For real, man. Good trades. Good traders. Yeah. Yeah. Shout out to Don. Don Moat.
He's a savage.
Very smart young man.
Yeah.
Facts.
Like, what a good heart, man. He's like one of the OGs, I would say, just putting out free knowledge.
Yep. Yeah, I learned a lot from Don. Yeah, one who wants you to go out. He's a good mentor. One who wants you to go out, create your own style, the same success. Yep, 100%. He doesn't want. He has a stream. He laid a good foundation for a lot of traders. That if you guys were paying attention over the last year or two on his streams, then you should have no problem going out and creating your own stream. And guess who makes the most money on Don's stream? Don, right? So you got to be playing the game, right? You don't want to be a spectator for too long. I say give yourself a year or so on this stream, learn exactly what you need to learn, and then you should be going out and doing your own thing, right? And challenging your own beliefs and your own, systems, and watching things play out in your favor. And even Don said that a couple weeks ago. I heard him talking about how, if you've been on his stream for over a year now, you really shouldn't need him at this point, right? You should know exactly what to do. And Don, the guy, follow him to 20 accounts. I heard instant humbled. Yeah, yep. He blew a bunch of accounts, and so have I, man. We've all blown accounts, right? Raja, you hear Raja's story? My man had to sell his wedding jewelry just to get back in the game. So you're never down and out, right? If you don't quit, you're still in the game. And this is perfect because we're breaking the high. If we close below here, it's gone.
Yeah, Don and Raja are two individuals who started from the bottom and came to the top.
Yeah, exactly. So yes, I do see what you're saying about the 1 hour time frame. That is a possibility here. Would love to see the celery play come into action. That would be ideal. That would be really nice. Celery play, I have over a 90% win rate. So I would love to wait for that. That would also be the 1 hour breaking the lows. I'll be right back.
I think it is Don Vo, or it might just be Don Vo is his Instagram name.
Yeah, I believe it's Don Bo.
Yeah.
And then he also has a other account for like other posts.
Like memes and stuff.
Yeah, he has that too.
There are 4. Yeah. There's gonna be a lot. It's the one where he's like on the beach. Oh wow.
Yeah, yeah, I believe he has a couple accounts.
It's the top one. The one where it's just plain it's Don Vo.
Yeah. And then his main account is just Don Bo.
Kerwin, man?
What happened?
I've been trading with Kerwin, like Kerwin and Capital Hungry and all that.
Oh yeah. Yeah, he don't I know Capital Hungry. He's pretty good.
So he's fundamental.
Word.
Not George, just waiting for the break of the lows or the beginning, just waiting.
Right. Nice. Very nice. Yep.
Music.
So let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna have sell stops at the break of this low on the 1 hour time frame. I would love to see this 30 close just like this. That would be really nice.
Oh,
But this 1 hour candle closed below as well, and if we break the low, we should drive down to fill this wick here. So let's take a look.
you're gonna take it off the current though?
I'm going to, yeah. So, you know what? I'm actually going to hold off because we broke the high on this 30-minute candle. And we could very well close above. 4 hour, very weak.
Yeah, the 4 hours.
Yeah, I think I'm going to wait. I think I'm going to wait until we we see this candle close, this 30-minute candle. If we close bullish below this zone here, that would be better. That'd be a little bit better. No rush here on a Monday. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for the 30 minutes to close here.
I think I got a virus on my computer from trying to get the Super Bowl for free last night.
Oh, I bet.
I was pressing too many things. Oh man. Not pop-ups.
Pop-ups. Uncle Scalp's in the house.
What up, my boy?
Tandy.
What
What's going on?
What's happening, brother?
What's up, everybody? Good morning.
What up, bro? Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Where'd you check?
How was your brother?
This weekend was super chill. I did absolutely nothing. I just did some studying. I studied the charts.
Nice, there you go.
Just chilled out.
Just
Watch
chilled.
Super Bowl?
Took it real easy. Yeah, I watched the Super Bowl. Yeah, it was a good game.
It was.
It was a pretty good game, honestly. You know, it was like pretty evenly matched, I would say.
Yeah, if it wasn't for that last flag that rigged the game, then it would have been a pretty good outcome.
Yeah, I saw everybody complaining about that one.
Yeah, it was a good game though. It was a good game.
Man.
Taking a sell in the 15-minute. Is it good? It's not bad. I would looks like this 15 minutes gonna close here in 1 minute. I think it's pretty decent. I would rather wait for this 30-minute to close up and then ride the volume with the NYSE open, but this could very well drive. And if it drives, it drives. I'm gonna just hold off and wait here for a few more minutes. But it has the potential. $18.55.8 might create trouble on sells. $18.55.8, $18.55.8. Yeah, yep. Yeah, I'd rather wait for this 30 to close because then we have volume coming in, right? Right now we're just kind of waiting for some volume to kick in with the NYSE open. So I say we wait. If it drives, it drives. Could very well just dump, but really could care less at this point. If it drives, it drives. I'm gonna wait for the 30.
Let's
Yep.
do an unboxing. We're gonna do an unboxing on this.
Oh.
Shit. This is the first unboxing.
What you got? What you
Oh,
got?
What is that?
Booby!
This pair of slides I ordered.
What up, my boy?
They're
They're not Funko Pops? They're not Funko Pops, bro?
Fubio in the house. What
don't
you
wanna
got?
watch it.
What you got? New slides?
Yeah.
Let's check them out.
Are they the Yeezys?
Let's see what he's
These
got in
are-
his box.
These are Fear of God Californias. They're like they're supposed to be the same material as Yeezys, kind of, but they're more like I could wear them if I went like to dinner or something.
Oh, yeah, bro. Fear of God is like.
Especially if you're at a high class restaurant, you definitely got to walk in there with slides on.
Like Yeezy slides, like I would wear to like the beach or like around my house.
Yeah, exactly. It's like where you go and get Starbucks in them
Right.
every morning. Spend $100K a year on Starbucks
Yeah, and Yeezys.
and Yeezys.
Now you're 200K in the hole, wondering where your money went. Let's
Don't
see
fit me.
what color are they? Yeah, chat. We'll be in some drawdown here.
Ooh.
These are pretty
Hey.
hard.
I seen those.
Oh, nice.
I thought you got the leather ones.
Basically the same exact thing as Yeezy slide. I mean Yeezy like the the fucking.
I'm sure
slides, but
Green probably got those. He got all that.
different look. They're pretty dope.
Those are
Oh,
fly. Are those white
They
or
fit. With where they fit.
are
Yeah,
those
super
white
light.
or are they like cream?
Nah, this is like a cream.
Yeah, nice. I like those.
Are those little holes aside for like craft singles to slide through? Like,
Oh my god, they fit perfect. So
nice.
wow, so
Yeah.
you gotta go down a full size and a half for these to fit. I'm a
What's-
10 and a half. These are a 9.
What size are you, B? You my size.
That's
You my
insane.
size.
That's wild. I thought they were bullshitting on YouTube.
Oh, damn. What up, Fubio? Good morning, brother.
These are
Good
hard.
morning, good morning.
These gonna look fire in the Bahamas though.
Hey. In the Bahamas. Is that where you're going next?
Yeah, I'm going first weekend of March.
Oh, nice.
Tough.
Nice. How long are you going for?
We're doing 4 nights, 5 days.
Solid.
Yeah, solid trip.
Nice trip.
Alright, those are fire.
I'm going to Turks and South America.
Did you confirm that you're not gonna be here for FX Summit or no?
No, actually, I think I might be good for it. So we should be good.
Stay with me.
Yeah, and you got the where it's in Brickell or
Yes.
Okay.
I'm staying in Brickell. Yep.
I bet. Yeah, for those of you guys that want to ride out to the FX Summit this year, we'll most likely be down there. Next year though, we'll have a vendor. We'll be selling stuff. We might even be speaking on stage. But this year we're gonna go, and if any of you guys are going, let's all link up. We'll grab lunch, do all that good stuff. FX Summit's in Miami.
Sounds fun.
Yes, sir. Got a lot of good speakers pulling up. Well, I mean, you got a lot of good traders speaking. Not a lot of good speakers, but a lot of good traders that will be speaking over there. Right near the beach, boy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, Scott, let's go, bro. Let's go. Come on down. Miami it is.
Yeah, I booked my going flight. I gotta book my coming home flight.
Oh, you booked it? Nice, nice.
Yeah, I just gotta get the coming home flight. I'll probably do that tomorrow.
Sweet. So, how long is the event? 3 days?
Yeah, it's Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I'm gonna get there Thursday. Because it starts like the doors open I think 8 a.m. Friday.
Oh, nice. Yeah, you might as well get there Thursday. Are
Yeah,
you
so I'll get there Thursday,
you
chill.
flying in during the day or at night?
I think I get there at 3 o'clock.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe I'll blitz a flight from Tampa so I don't have to drive.
Yeah, don't drive.
Yeah, that's long drive right there.
Yeah, it's not gonna be worth it. It'll probably cost you more money to
Yeah,
drive.
facts. And time.
Right, and time.
From Wesley Chapel?
Yeah.
You're gonna fly to Miami from Wesley Chapel?
Possibly. Possibly. Because otherwise, that's
What
about
happens when you have money? Bro?
that's about a
Hey,
6-hour ride at that point.
Don't worry about the drive. Just pay the money and just fly out.
Me and are living in poverty land, I guess. Yo, we drive every
Yeah.
single time. What are we doing, man?
Wow, I'm on Google Maps right now. That's a fucking drive.
It's a troop, bro.
That's
I've
a
done
drive.
that drive. I've done
That's
that.
insane.
How was the flight?
The flight is probably like
An hour?
maybe 45
Yeah,
minutes.
40 minutes or something like that. Like, I would much rather get dropped off at Tampa Airport, jump on a flight, and 45 minutes be down there versus wasting 7 hours of my day
I mean,
driving down to Miami.
It'll shave off some mental willpower, you know.
Hold
Yeah.
on, wait.
Or
I
the
wanna-
drive could keep me humble too. So we might have to do the drive.
The drive could give you humble.
Gotta
So
get
a flight. You could catch a flight there for $95.
Oh, done deal.
You could definitely spend more money in gas.
Done
Wait.
deal.
That's a round trip?
Is it? Hold on, wait.
So you're looking at like $200 round trip.
Wait, hold on. I'll do it right now.
Bring your dog, put it in the cage, and put it underneath the plane. That's so messed up. I mean,
They'll get traumatized, dude.
Word.
Come out of the hole fucking scared.
Bro,
yeah,
Anna's,
round trip is 200.
yeah, dude, I'm in there.
that's not bad. at all.
100%. Let me talk to the boss after this and see if we get these tickets going. Yeah, chat, look at this. Bullish, right? So we didn't jump on these sells at the break of the low because we weren't scratching our neck fiending to get into a position here on a Monday. And it paid off because now we're bullish. If we can get a closure below this area, that's gonna be perfect. Perfect.
Yeah,
Well, yo, Teddy, how far are you guys from Tampa Airport?
10
yeah, like
minutes.
40 minutes?
30, 40 minutes.
Alright, because let me see. Hold up. I
Nick is
got-
like 20 minutes away from it.
Yeah, I'm heading down there tomorrow.
Bro, you need to be like a Uber driver or something. I don't know. My man is private.
Uber.
I'm gonna Uber it out to get my plane flight, my ticket.
That's what happens when you live in Wesley Chapel, honestly. That's what I was just doing all the time.
Yo, bro, it's like packed up here. Busy area.
So, yo, on April 5th, I have a conference I have to go to.
Mm-hmm.
I'm getting there on the 4th, and I land at 3 o'clock. But I have nothing to do the whole 4th, like the day when I get there.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so maybe
we'll all link up.
yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, if anyone's in the chat and you guys are going down there, let us know. Like, maybe we'll put something together.
Yeah,
That
I'll be
afternoon.
done on the 4th.
What day is that? Like Tuesday?
That is
Thursday?
That's a Tuesday.
Tuesday.
I'm off Wednesday, but Tuesday we're unfortunately.
Wednesday I should be good after 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. I have a flight at 9 o'clock on Wednesday.
Bet. Bet. Sounds like a plan.
Now we'll set something else.
Who bit the bullet? Who bit on the break of the lows after we said let's not do it?
We all did, right?
I don't know. Who did it, chat?
All of us.
Because you would have told us if price was down here right now, you would have been like, I was in. So admit it.
I was in at the top wave 1858 and I took it back down to support and that was it.
Jay was in. I'm in the
No
UK.
loss, though.
Frog, no FX conference for me. Oh yeah, UK. That's a troop. That's a trooper.
George, my man. Hey,
I full margined it. Nice. Hey, if you're gonna go, you might as well go big on that one.
you did it.
What did Gold Goblin say? Right? Probably problematic area right here. He was right on the money. He's the Gold Goblin. But this is closing up perfect. If we close just like this, maybe a little bit lower, and we break this low, we're gone. So we'll be looking for sells below there. Four-hour came up, created a nice top wick. That'll be the 4-hour break in the low. Let's do it. Hopefully we don't drive in the last 3 minutes here. I full margined it. Let's go. Let's go. I'm looking up ideas. Make this a nice office here. I think this will be the official office room. We're in here.
Ooh, that's nice.
Yeah, it's got me like a 40-minute video here. Putting cool,
Dude,
making the
how much
office
is that?
pretty cool.
No, that light is insane.
Yo, that light, I don't know about that light though. I don't know about that light.
You get blinded, dude. One wrong look at it. Wow.
I got a mic coming in too, so maybe it'll sound a little bit better.
Oh my gosh, I should have given you the mic.
Oh yeah, I could have definitely tried that one out for sure.
Oh man. I knew there was something else. I knew it.
Hey, if we're going down, it's gonna be at 9:30 because we grabbed this liquidity here, broke the highs. All the sellers who had stops above here all got taken out. We've broken the highs. This candle can close. I want to see it close below here, but when we break these lows, price should be good to go. 4-hour time frame, that's the break of the lows. You know, come down, target these areas. Target this support down here, really. Probably look to move stops to break even right here, and then probably close partials somewhere down here. All right, so I'm gonna have a sell stop at the break of the low. All right.
Let's go.
Sell stop at the break of these lows. Looking to tap down. So sell stop right here, chat. See if we can get it going. Nice top wick. Yep, sell stop right here at the break of these lows. 1855, 9. What's my entry? 1855, 850. Should have the volume to drive. This is what we asked for, right? It's what we were waiting for. And now we execute. Let's get this signal, sell stops.
Yeah.
What the hell's my Discord? Yep, perfect. We got ourselves a top wick. If we break that low, we should go. Send this signal out. Entry's gonna be. So just taking consideration for a little bit of spread here, right? I think it's 18, a little bit below that low. $18.55. Stops are going to be above this wick up here. It's going to be let's take a look here. $18.59, 190. 18.59, 190. And TP is going to be right around the support area, first TP, so 1853, 462, 1853. All right, let's see if we can go. All right, I'm activated here. Just got into some sell stops. TP's is high.
Here we go. Breaking the low.
Gonna look to move stops to break even once we get a little lower down here. Off this. See if we can run. It's gonna be the best trade of your life.
Lovely.
All right, chat. I'm gonna move stops to break even. Right here. So it's risk-free trade at this point. Let's see if we can get her to run.
Sheesh. Get it. Let's see.
All
that
right.
right here.
Beautiful.
Da, 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 da. This is going to be an amazing trade. Let's get down there. So stops at B because that's really the first point of rejection, right? We could reject anywhere in this area, so that's why we're going risk-free at this point, but we should continue down.
Nice.
Here we go.
Beautiful.
All right, so I'm gonna close partials right there. Oh, oh, baby.
Beautiful.
Just close partials, chat, right
Beautiful.
here. Risk-free trade. Let's see if we can run.
It's only
Beautiful.
beautiful if we can actually break that daily low here.
Yeah, we gotta break
that.
this daily low. That's what we gotta break. That's another reason why I'm closing partials right there is because we have that low, and if we don't break it, then yeah, you never know.
Come back to the shenanigans. Kind of like what we're doing now. That was a good scalp. Good scalp.
Yep.
I closed full there.
Yeah,
Nice.
I took it all
Good
off
work.
at 1850
W's, chat.
low.
Word.
See if we can get her to run. Nice push. That was a nice push right there. So you notice how we tapped that support, and at that support is where we said we're gonna close some partials, and that's what we did.
Yep. Beautiful.
Scalpy. Yep, that was easy. Let's get ready for the real.
Hey,
fucking drive,
WWWWWNBC.
though. I want more than just 30 pips. I want 100 straight down. Yeah, this is gonna just range within this range.
Where did me Discord go?
This is good.
Oh, I got tapped at break even.
Tandy, where'd you get in?
Pretty much breaking the low where Nick got in. Oh yeah.
Gotcha. Scalp.
Nick, your stop loss was
Uh,
originally at.
My stops are up here.
Okay.
Yeah. W's patience pays. Yup, once again, ladies and gents. Patience pays. That was a quick move.
That was.
Yep.
Those are the pushes you want.
Yup.
It's the only way to trade in the range here. So you scalp those pushes.
Beautiful.
Look at that. Look at that.
Yep. Rejection of that zone, so I took it all off at that point. No need for a runner when you know it's not gonna break.
Very nice, chat. Very nice. So, runner got tapped. Closed partials down here. Beautiful move. Beautiful move. Volume on our side. One more time. Shout out to Volume. Dubs in the chat. Let's go. Good work. Good work. Good work, ladies and gents. All right. So what time was that? Another 9:30, right? That's what we asked for. That's what we planned. And we traded our plan, and it worked out. 30. What's today, chat? The 13th? 23. Goldilocks. Sell. Breakout. Celery. 30-minute. Half risk. I got 20 pips. I actually closed 80% there at 20 pips. 20. W's. Good work. I set a market pending and never got filled, so I entered late and now I'm ooh. Uncle Scalp, time to eat, boys. Time to eat, boys and girls. That's breakfast. That's breakfast. Good work.
Everyone should be tracking their trades as well.
I'd probably close with the loss or close partials early, Anthony. Yeah. Yup, that was our vantage point right here, right? That is where we were looking to really secure the position. So what a play on a Monday. Yes, sir. Right back into the range, right? We had that volume kick in. 9:30 celery play and push down right into this area, tap target, pull back up.
Nick, when you do the market pending order with the
Magic keys?
with the magic keys, does it automatically do stops, or you have to differentiate between stops and limits?
No. So you have to. So basically, you open calc. You'll have your stop loss, your take profit, and then once you hit market pending, it'll pop up a third line, a green line. So just like normally, bring your stop to where you want it, bring your TP to where you want it, and then wherever you want the entry. In this case, it would be like right here. So you put that yellow line there, press open trade, and then it'll activate the limit order.
Yeah. Maybe Anthony. What I could imagine was that you entered too late and price was already past that point.
Yeah. I
If you
probably
do a
didn't enter the
magic key.
sell stop correctly. Yeah, or you may have gotten slipped. If you were
Like,
in,
yeah.
you could have possibly gotten slipped if you were in like any, if your entry was like somewhere around here, because we were like hanging around here and then we just dumped. Right, it was a quick move. That's why magic keys is really good, guys. So if you don't have a pair of magic keys, go ahead and get yourself a pair. Or not a pair, just get yourself actual magic keys. They also do have the on-screen version as well, so you can get that.
Oh, you never pressed open trade. Yeah, that'll do.
Oh yeah, yeah. You gotta press open trade, and then you'll see it kind of like fade out, and that's how you know it's set. So yeah, beautiful trade, gang. That's a Monday right there. 9:42. No need to even look at the charts anymore. You got what you. What did we do, guys? We came. We marked off our charts, right? We sat here and waited. Had some casual conversation in the meantime, right? We didn't jump on this candle, right? We weren't jumpy at all today. We weren't eager at all to get into a trade. Back from the weekend, gotta take a trade, right? We ended up breaking the 1 hour lows. If you notice how I just chilled, right? I didn't budge. That didn't phase me. I can care less if it wanted to drive and do this move. We just wouldn't have taken a trade today, right? And not taking a trade is always better than taking a loss. And you know, we just sat here, waited for our trade. That's it. That's it. We wanted this candle to close below the range. We got it, you know, and that was the move, man. And that's how it's done. That's how it's done.
Simple.
Simple. Trading gets very simple when you get very rule-based. And you got a system and you're willing to stay disciplined to it and not get the jitters, not get the FOMO, right? I could have gotten FOMO all throughout this move right here, right? This whole move from 8 a.m. Could have got FOMO throughout that whole thing, right? Back in the day I would have, but right, that's not what we're looking for. We're looking to sit tight. We're gonna wait for what makes the most logical sense, and then we execute on that. And if you did that today, you were a winner. That was clean though. That was pretty clean. 20, I got 20, I got 20, almost 21 pips in, what was that? 5 minutes? 5 minutes. So we waited here since what time? 7 a.m. We took a trade. It lasted 5 minutes. So I want you to really think about this. And like, I know you guys see it all the time. I know you see memes. I know you see it all where trading is 85% waiting. Really 90% waiting, 10% actually executing and being in your trade. So today is a prime example of we waited 90% of the day, right? We just waited around, hung out, waited for price to get to where we wanted. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you have seen my stories the other day where I posted. It's either my price or no price, right? It's either price gets to where I want it and activates me, and that means we have a deal, or we don't have a deal, right? There's no jumping, there's no jitters, there's no, you know, let me just randomly take a trade. It's system-based, rule-based positions here. And that's what we do. And that's what you'll see us do every day. And if you ever see me not do that, please call me out on it. So, beautiful win. W's. Marine, you get in that with us? Yes, of course. Yeah, 21 pips for me also. Nice, George. Nice 21 pip Monday for you, bro. Beautiful. Good job, Green. Good job, Scott. Uncle Scalp, you were in that, right?
Oh, yeah, I was in that.
Perfect. Perfecto. And that's it. And that's really the day. What's my Instagram name? It's right here. It's right here. It's Nick Stewart with an underscore at the end. So you can follow me there. Appreciate you, Green. Thank you, Green.
Same shit tomorrow.
Yeah, follow my stories because I really do post a lot of cool trading tips, just things that are on my mind. And what did we post today? Sorry, guys. Important text message. What did we say today? So yesterday I posted hope isn't a strategy. Hope is for degenerate gamblers. We come in with a solid system, partial TPs, stops, and execute daily like a professional, right? Win, losses, they don't phase us. We just keep on executing, right? And let the cards say, like, let the chips fall where they may, right? And that's what I said today. Less thinking, more executing. A lot of people overthink. Just pull the trigger, right? Do it again and again and again. When your edge shows up like a professional, let the chips fall as they may. Scared money don't make money. Have conviction and trust in your system. And that's what we did today. That's what we did. One sec, guys.
There.
All right, kids are up, perfect time. Work is done. And that was the work, my friends, hanging out, chilling.
Oh man, that was excellent.
Yes, sir.
That was nice.
Anyone else feel like Nick has a messy look-alike to him? Yeah, I've heard that a few times. Yeah, he does. Yeah, I've heard that quite a few times. Messy, 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 messy. Goal. Yeah, shout out to everyone. That was a beautiful move that we got on a beautiful Monday. Bit of a late entry, right? But 9:30 is always the sweet spot for me. Love taking trades at 9:30. Thanks, George. Beautiful. Yeah, if you guys would like, we do have a free Discord that you guys could jump in. Jump in anytime. This is I'll put the link in the chat, but this is the free Discord, so you guys can come on in, Shout out to all the new people. What do we got? 77, 87. So we got about 90 people in here, 90 subs on the YouTube channel. So it was a good day. It's a good day. Appreciate you all. You guys came in here, waited with me, were disciplined with me. Hopefully, as the days go on, you continue to sharpen your edge, continue to get better at seeing these markets, man. That's what it's all about. That's why we're doing this. Yeah.
Yeah. And just like that, it's 10 a.m.
And just like that, it's 10 a.m. So, let's see here, 10 a.m. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna call it a day.
6:30 to 10 is so fast.
It really is. Time flies when you're having fun, right, chat?
Real.
Time flies when you're having fun. So, let's see.
Same shit tomorrow.
Same shit tomorrow, yeah. Same time, same place. We'll see y'all tomorrow. I'm gonna call it a day. Shout out to everyone. Thank you guys for stopping by. If you can, on the way out, please like the stream. Tell your friends, tell your family, come give us a sub. Come tap into the New York live streams. We'll be here every single morning, 7 a.m. Eastern, up until right about this time. So appreciate you all for coming by. It was a fun Monday here today, as we expected. And we will catch you guys tomorrow morning, 7 a.m. Eastern. All right? Peace.